Hello D-Nation and welcome back. In today's episode, we are going to be unboxing a replica of the KTM 1290 Superduke R, which is a 118 scale diecast motorcycle manufactured by Welly. And I'm going to be showing you the features and the specifications of this amazing diecast motorcycle replica. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. So let's begin by taking a look at the boxing as always. This KTM Superduke R replica comes in a window type box, which is a standard boxing by Welly. And as you can see on this bottom corner of the box, you will see the Welly logo, and to the other corner you would find the KTM logo. And to this upper corner is the scale of this model, which is a 118 scale. And flipping over to the sides and the back, you will find the KTM logo along with the scale and the website details, which is pretty much the same on the top of the box as well. The KTM 1290 Superduke R, which is the name of this model, is prominent on the base plate, and onto the bottom of the box you will find quite a bit of legal information regarding this diecast model. So kindly pause if you want to take a read. So with no further ado, let's get this open. So, to begin with, my first thoughts about this diecast replica is that it has quite a good and sturdy build quality and made of diecast for the most part, with a few components made of ABS plastic with some good details, which is a standard with the Welly motorcycle replicas. And I should admit that this model looks quite amazing and looks exactly like its real life counterpart. So now let's go ahead and take a look at a few features and specifications. Well, this model comes with a black, orange and white chassis, which is pretty much the color scheme all throughout this model. And this model also comes with some amazing graphics, decals and KTM branding. This replica comes with a steerable front fork that comes with a well-detailed headlight, a pair of rear view mirrors, a pair of front turn signals and a speedometer. And these components seamlessly flow into an all-black handlebar with black hand grips with a pair of clutch and brake levers. And moving down is an orange and black front fender that wraps around a beautiful black alloy style wheel and a rubber tire with dual silver disc brake units. So moving on to the midsection, this fuel tank is well sculpted and painted in the signature KTM orange with black and white graphics. And moving down to the heart of this ride lies a beautiful and well detailed engine sculpt with a single exhaust, with the rest of the midsection components blacked out. The side firings are painted orange as well and branded with the KTM Superduke logo and branding on both sides that are prominent. And talking about the seat, it's a double-seater which is in black that really contrasts with this Superduke replica. And the rear wheel setup is just the same as the front, but comes with a brake light, a pair of rear turn signals and a number plate that is mounted to the rear fender along with the tailpiece with some KTM branding on it. And just to mention, the rear wheel setup has quite a bit of suspension unlike the front, which is rigid, and this model comes with free rolling wheels and a kickstand in case you want to display it. And as far as the specs go, this replica measures in at 4.5 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 2 inches in width and weighs in approximately at about 110 grams, which are standard 118 scale motorcycle specs. Well, all I can say is that this is a beautiful and well detailed diecast replica of the KTM 1290 Superduke R, and I'm glad I got my hands on it so that I could add it to my ever-growing 118 scale diecast motorcycle collection. So overall, this is a beautiful diecast replica and a definite must-have for any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist, especially if you are a KTM enthusiast. And in case you're interested, kindly find further features, specifications and the best buy link for this diecast replica in the description below. So with that out of the way, let's place this amazing and well-detailed KTM Superduke replica on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. Well, the functionality seems to be perfect and just as beautiful as the highly detailed exteriors, and this KTM Superduke diecast replica gets a massive thumbs up from me for looks as well as for its functionality. So with that being said, let's place this amazing diecast replica on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this diecast beauty in a 360-degree view, and stay tuned for some fun facts on the KTM Superduke R coming up. The KTM 1290 Superduke R is a naked bike. The 2014 to 2016 model suspension was considered to be too soft, but the 2017 update had addressed this with stiffer springs. The 2016 model had compression ratio of 13.2:1 and the 2017 model had increased compression ratio of 13.6:1. The 2017 models comes with cruise control as standard and has upgraded electronics such as lean angle sensitive traction control, ride-by-wire and optional track mode, along with previous models cornering ABS, quick shifter, riding modes, etc. For the 2014 model, it had acceleration of 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.6 seconds, 0 to 124 miles per hour in 7.2 seconds, with braking distance of 99.1 feet from 60 to 0 miles per hour with ABS and 138.5 feet from 60 to 0 miles per hour without ABS. The 2014 model produces maximum of 180 horsepower and 106 pound-per-feet of torque. For the 2017 year model update, the engine and throttle response have become smoother and now produces 177 horsepower. And for further information on the KTM 1290 Superduke R, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this amazing Superduke replica, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below, so go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts about this amazing KTM diecast replica. And kindly continue to support Dnation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also by liking and sharing our videos. And do follow us at dnation.in on Instagram for daily diecast previews and updates, and do check out the rest of the 118 Scale Diecast Motorcycle episodes in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this Diecast Motorcycle episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below and stay tuned for all new episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.